And in is for results. And end with is for the last part. Number one, the match will blank a tie. Okay, stop and think. Does it end with a tie or end in a tie? Picture the final whistle. Are we watching a tie being placed on a stage as the last prop? Weird image, right? A tie here is a result, the official outcome where nobody wins or loses. So the right answer is end in. The match will end in a tie. Number two, the party will blank cake. Interesting. Could the party end in cake? That almost makes the whole event transform into confectionery. Funny but unlikely. Cake here is the final part, the last sweet people enjoy before leaving. So we say end with. The whole sentence is the party will end with cake. Sweet ending. Number three, the movie will blank tears. Do we say end with tears or end in tears? Imagine the final scene. The story leaves you feeling emotionally moved. The resulting feeling is that people cry. That's a result, not just a last object. So the better choice is end in. The movie will end in tears. Number four, the speech will blank a joke. Picture the speaker's last line. Does the speech end in a joke? Not really. The speech's ultimate outcome isn't becoming a joke. A joke is the last part, the closing line that makes everyone laugh. So we choose the end with. The sentence becomes the speech will end with a joke. Alright, again, end in is for results, and end with is for the last part. Pretty simple once you see it in action, right? I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. Make sure your day doesn't end in confusion, but ends with a smile. I'll see you next time. Bye.